Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how can you upload assignment on Google Classroom. There are many different methods to upload assignments on Google Classroom, but here we will use our email account to upload assignments. Yes, in this process, the very first step is you need to open your Google email account. As you will open your Google email account, you can see there is a button that is known as Google App button. As you will click on this button, it will open all the Google apps, the apps which are provided by the Googles to facilitate you. When you click on Google App button, it will show you all the apps which are provided by the Google. Now we want the Google Classroom. To find the Google Classroom, you need to scroll down. Can you see this arrow? With the help of this bar, we need to scroll down. As in when you scroll down, at the bottom you can see there is Google Classroom. You can see this green color icon. This green color icon depicts classroom. This classroom is Google Classroom where we want to upload the assignment. Now we need to click on that. We need to select Classroom app. When you click on Classroom app, it will open your classroom. Yes, it will open your classroom and you can see the subject which you have joined with the help of Google Classroom are displayed here. As here I have 9th E, 9th D, 9th C. So this way you can see different subjects. So it is showing you Google Classroom which you have selected. Maybe you want to join a new class. If you want to join a new class, you need to click on this plus sign. As in when you click on this plus sign, it will give you two options. One is join class and another is create class. So here you have to click on join class. Join class will help you to join the class whose homework you want to upload. Now, as in when you click on join class, it will give you a box and it is asking for class code. It is asking for class code. Here you have to enter the code which is provided by your teacher. So you should remember that code, or you must have noted down this code somewhere in your notebook. So first you have to enter a code to join the class and then click on join. As you will click on join, you can see that particular class will open in front of you. You can see I have shown you this with the help of this arrow, that whatever class code you have given, that class will be joined by you. Now, the most important thing, we are learning how to upload the assignment on Google Classroom. So here you can see share something with your class. So here you need to click. you will click here because it is asking if you want to share something with your class, you can share here. Now, when you click on that particular area, automatically it has provided you the space. Now here you can type your name or your assignment name to show that this particular assignment is given by you. So you must type your name. Now, after typing your name here, it is asking you to add, because it is possible in your assignment you are submitting a file. That file can be a PowerPoint file, it can be a Word file, it can be a Excel file, or any other image or any link. So you need to click here on add. You know this button is familiar with you. We use this button to attach files in email also. So it is the same button it is showing. Now you need to add the file which you want to submit as your assignment. Now you can see, as you have clicked on add, it is showing you 4 options. One is Google Drive, another is link, and next is file, and last is YouTube. Maybe you want to link a file. Maybe you have prepared a PowerPoint presentation which you need to submit to your teacher as an assignment. So we will click on file. When you click on file, now it is asking select the file from your device. Wherever you have stored the file, you need to select that particular file. Is it clear to everybody? Because whatever file you have prepared, you need to save somewhere in your laptop or in your computer or in your device, whatever device you are using. So we need to select file from your device. As and when we will click on select file from your device, it will show you this open dialog box. All of you are very familiar with this open dialog box because this box belongs to Windows. We are very familiar whenever we want to open any file, we have to select the file from this open dialog box. So same dialog box will open. Now you need to select the file, as I have selected the file Sophia because my assignment I have stored with the name Sophia. So you need to select that particular file. After that, as usual, we need to click on open button. All of you know, whenever you want to open a file, first we have to select it and then we have to click on open button. When you click on open button, you can see your file is uploaded, attached here. Your file, you can see the same name is displayed here as in this. Sophia.pptx is displayed here. If I want to add more file, I can add more file. If I want to send this one file only, it's sufficient for this assignment, so I will select this file only. Now I have to click on upload button to upload this particular Sophia file for my assignment. Now you can see this Sophia file is attached here where I have to upload my assignment. So my file sophia.pptx is displayed here. Now it is ready for the assignment. Okay, now as you have clicked on uploaded, you can see your file is attached here. Now your assignment is ready for uploading. So finally what you have to do, you have to click on post button. So finally you will click on post button to post your assignment. So this is the method which will help you to upload your assignment.